Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of the movie The Disaster Artist. Okay, here's the spine, and here's the back. So we can see some special features at the back, so let's go through it. Feature commentary with James Franco, Dave Franco, Tommy, Vizio, sorry about that. Okay, Greg Sestero, and Scott Neustadtler, and Michael H. Weber. Okay, and it says, "Oh hi, Mark, making a disaster, directing a disaster, just a guy leaning on a wall, getting to know Tommy." Okay, so that's the special features in there, and we have it seems to be a biography, comedy drama, and we see a lot of audio languages and subtitles languages actually. It says Dolby Audio, DTS HD Master Audio. The runtime seems to be 103 minutes. So let me open this up for you. Okay, so here is the disc for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.